go home, meet my parents. But he's like, oh, ma'am, I won't be able to say it now. Maybe we'll be working this Diwali. And I'm like, I think going and meeting and hugging people. I was like, my friends are coming. I'm like, hey, happy Diwali from the balcony. They're like, happy Diwali, happy. Not like a mithai, but karanji. We call it karanji. So I love karanji, especially when my mom makes it. It's, oh, I miss my mom. So once in my childhood, I remember there was this friend. We both were, Diwali का normal वो फुलझड़ी जला रहे थे और गलती से मैंने उसका ड्रेस जला दिया. Hi guys, this is Shivangi Kedkar. I wish you all a very very happy Diwali.
Hi Shivangi, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
First of all, I have to say that you're looking gorgeous today.
Who's it? Thank you.
So Shivangi, happy Diwali to you and your family.
Happy Diwali to everybody.
Right. So what are your plans for this Diwali?
Oh man, I was asking my EP Jay Mishra that chutti de do please. I want to go home meet my parents, but he's like, oh ma'am, I won't be able to say it now. Maybe we'll be working this Diwali, and I'm like, I don't mind. Actually, I'm kind of a person who will want to work on my birthdays and especially Diwalis and good festivals. So I'm okay with it, but I thought I would like to see my mom and dad once. But let's see now. We'll get to know a day prior, not even like 5 days prior. We get to know a day prior. That too in the evening. That tomorrow we have holiday. So let's see.
Right.
As of now, no.
Right. So last year, of course, the pandemic was at its peak. So I'm sure you must have not celebrated Diwali in a way that you used to do every year. So
yeah.
What thing that you couldn't do last year, but you would like to do this year on Diwali?
I think going and meeting and hugging people. I was like, my friends are coming. I'm like, hey, happy Diwali from the balcony. They're like, happy Diwali, happy Diwali. But I would actually like to go and meet friends and family, and would want to sit and have dinner and like have a good Diwali night. So let's see if since maximum of us are like vaccinated. We have like 1 crore people who are vaccinated, which is a very good news. So hopefully we'll have a good hug wala Diwali. Huggy.
Right. Do you have that favorite Diwali sweet that, during Diwali diet is kept aside and you just have that sweets a lot?
Yeah, so I have this, my mom makes chaklis and all these things. These are the basic things, but you don't get to eat that, during the other festivals or other time of the year. So I think those basic common mithai of this is my favorite. Not like a mithai, but karanji, we call it karanji. So I love karanji, especially when my mom makes it. It's, oh, I miss my mom.
Right. So, any memory of the festival from your childhood that you would like to share? Something special must have happened, or something shocking that happened during the childhood or during the Diwali festival?
I have always been a kid who breaks stuff. Like if you give me a glass, it has to break. Like I remember once we bought this new house, so ghar ka pooja tha, somebody got a very beautiful vase which was like this big, and there were 2. And I was like, I want to open this gift, and I opened it, and दोनों एक दूसरे से टकराए and it broke. And my mom came and she slapped me. She's like, I told you stay away from all the crockeries, all the glass stuff. And I'm like, okay. So once in my childhood, I remember there was this friend. We both were, Diwali का normal वो फुलझड़ी जला रहे थे और गलती से मैंने उसका ड्रेस जला दिया. And without, I didn't even do it on purpose, but everybody's like, this girl would have done. And I'm like, this kid who's like, listen, I didn't do it. I don't know how. And I actually didn't know how that happened. She was running here and there. थोड़ा सा dress जल के ऐसे सब हो गया. But everybody, they tortured me to another level. They are like, this kid is, she'll break everything. She'll burn everything. So that was a very bad. But yeah. बहुत कुछ सहा है मेरे बचपन से.
So, if we talk about Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali, in the show, do we get to see any Diwali special thing happening?
Dude, we are getting screenplays like a day prayer. We have a day off because we don't have a screenplay. That's why we have a day off. So I myself, I can tell you what's going to happen in the next episode, but I can't tell you about Diwali. So we have no idea. We all want, some Diwali celebration happening. There is some preparation going on for Diwali, but of course there will be drama, and when there is drama, everything is kept aside. So I won't be able to tell right now.
So, would you like to give any message, a Diwali message to all your fans?
Yeah, I'd just like to say that I hope that this Diwali is, safe and sound for all of us. I hope you all are safe. I hope you all are vaccinated. If you're not, I would want you all to go and get vaccinated and just have fun. Just love. This COVID has taught us that what it is, to be apart from your family members, what it is to be at home, to be around your people. So just have fun. It's like life is good, yeah. Life is beautiful. Just celebrate each and every day. Let it be Diwali or let it not be Diwali. Just be happy, be around your people, just love each other and spread love. And watch Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali because there's a lot of, the track is going to get interesting soon. I know a lot of you have complaints about what is this, why is Raghav and Pallavi, why are they apart, why is this ex-girlfriend coming in. But of course, if something has started, it is going to end also, and you are going to get what you want. You are going to know what it's going to be a story of each and every one of you. So that's why I want people to watch. So yeah, please watch Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali and just keep spreading love.